show you the back and the front. I'll show you this spot. So first you can show them the back.
Okay, that's our engine, right?
Yes, our new engine. Our chairs. Go to the front and you'll see what we're working on.
So we're cleaning our storage area. By the way, that's our house in Islamorada.
And then let me show you where I steer the boat. Here's my new steering wheel. It's bigger than my other one. We have this, so you can like do that. And I had smaller one with like black, but this one is silver. And then we have these buttons. We have these, the radio, cup holders, these, that, and that. We have a little window so I can see. We have this. We have all these buttons. We have these buttons. And then we have these two buttons. And we have this. You can do the engine. And then here's my captain chair. We can show you how our new engine works. So tell them how our new engine works.
You get in the water and you turn the boat on and you go.
And then we have a key. We have like a little key so we can lock the engine. So it doesn't go anywhere. And plus, it doesn't even rock. I can take you guys for a ride. Let me take you guys for a ride.
Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. When you're on a holiday, you can't find.
Where's your head? 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 Where's your head?
I've been feeling it since 1966. Might have had your fill, but I feel it still. Ooh, all the rebels just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now.
Dad, drive the boat.
It's on autopilot.
You have auto.
Hey guys, welcome to my